Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I'm joined with Simran Bhamu, and we're going to be talking about town growth. Hello and thanks for coming in.
Thank you. Thank you for having me over.
So let's get straight into it. What is your vision for the town's size or ideal size into the future?
So for town growth, we need to follow the latest guidelines set by the provincial government on expansion and density. But also Orangeville has physical limitations on expansion given our boundaries, you would know. So there's not very much of expansion or growth that we can see in terms of densification.
Okay, so you're referring to the boundaries of like Island Lake and
That's right.
Then obviously on the east side. So where do you see it in 10 years, both population and obviously if there's restrictions on the urban sprawl, how are we going to accommodate for an increased growth in population?
Great question. So I would want to focus on making Orangeville an ideal town instead of focusing on just the size, which can be achieved by providing access to public transit, post-secondary education like trade schools for our children, care facilities for seniors and those in need, involvement of youth in the community, balance between urbanization and nature, successfully flourishing businesses, and where our budget is spent wisely and with a mindset of everyone's well-being. We can definitely do a few things differently. We need to do those things differently as well. For example, we need to focus on doing our fair share of negotiations for funds and grants from our provincial and federal governments.
Well, that's some good insight, and certainly we hope that your vision can come true. But thank you again for coming in, and I'm certain we'll talk to you soon. Stay tuned for the next video we have on infrastructure.